So that's how we're going to see that lift force.
In this project, my two students, one rising senior and one rising sophomore, work on building a wind tunnel with flow visualization and force measurement. Wind tunnel is a large tube with wind blowing into that, and we have a stationary object inside. And wind blowing over the object simulates an object moving through the air. It would work for objects like cars, trucks, aircrafts, rockets, tall buildings, and even smaller objects such as golf clubs, golf balls, and race car helmets.
I think our first week was really just bouncing ideas. A lot of whiteboards were involved, and once we started getting some better ideas and kind of putting things together, we started writing them on paper, which then soonly transitioned into PTC Creo 3D modeling software, where we really put our ideas together and got a firm model that we're basing our work off now.
Mostly we'll be looking to measure the lift and drag force vector, and we're doing that with weights and a scale. And then we're also looking to see how the fluid goes over that, and we're using streamlines to observe that. Fans will go back here.
In these holes.
And then your objects that we're testing will go on this platform. My plan right now is to go to officer training for the Air Force or Space Force after I graduate, to eventually work in aerospace and astronautical engineering.
I think where I'm at, I'm a rising sophomore, so I think it's very cool that as a to-be sophomore, it's really hard to get experience at this age. So Cornell, I think, does that very well compared to like any other state school. It's really hard to get into these programs at a young age. So I think it's a huge advantage, to where then it leads me to a lot of opportunities next year to maybe go do research at a bigger school or get an internship somewhere else.